Assalomu alaykum hammaga yana bir bor. Demak, listeningimizni boshlasak bo'ladi. Xo'sh, ba'zilar reading birozgina qiyin deyishgan. To'g'risi reading o'zim qilmaganman. Qanchalik darajada yoki listening ham qilganimiz yo'q. Ko'rib ketamiz. Bugun asosan o'sha reading listeningni tahlil qilaylikki, qanchalik qiyin yoki oson ekanligini ko'ramiz va undan keyin sizga reading bilan listeningni javoblarini tashlab beraman oxirida. Okay?
Part 1. You will hear some sentences. You will hear each sentence twice. Choose the correct reply to each sentence, A, B, or C. Mark your answers on the answer sheet.
Speaker 1.
Giselle, what have you done so far? Giselle, what have you done so far?
Giselle, mana shu vaqtgacha nima qilding deyapti, to'g'ri javob. I have just done it. Nothing really, that's cool. Hop, to'g'ri javob birinchida B bo'ladi. Nima qilding shu vaqtga desa, hech narsa qilganim yo'q to'g'risi degan narsa. Birinchida, xo'sh. Ikkinchisi.
Speaker 2.
Shall I go shopping or buy it online?
Shopping qilishga borishim kerakmi yoki online sotsam bo'ladimi debdi. I'll do it right away. Hozirroq qilaman. I can't right now, sorry. Well, you can order it from Amazon. Xullas, Amazondan order qilsang bo'ladi debdi. Amazon bilasiz, o'zi narsa sotadigan website yoki application.
Shall I go shopping or buy it online?
Speaker 3.
Welcome to our house museum.
Bizada House Museumga xush kelibsan debdi. Thanks, that's very sweet of you. Judayam rahmat. Shu sizni yaxshilik qilganingiz shu debdi. I don't know how to get there. Where stop. Demak, to'g'ri A bo'ladi. Xush kelibsan debdi. Ha, rahmat demoqchi bu yerda.
Welcome to our house museum.
House Museum, House Museum. Shuni o'zi.
Speaker 4.
What do you think of the new PUBG update? What do you think of the new
What do you think of nima deb o'ylaysan? Nima haqida?
PUBG update?
Nimadir update. Mana shu yangilik haqida nima deb o'ylaysan deyapti. I will shoot right away. Men hozirroq uni olaman yoki otaman degan ma'no. Hop, no. Well, it seems our internet connection is lost. Internet connection yo'qolganga o'xshaydi deyapti. Yo'q. It has a lot of amazing new machines. Okay, to'g'ri javob C bo'ladi. Nimaga? Update haqida nima deb o'ylaysan deyapti. Juda ham zo'r mashinalar, yangilar bor ekan demoqchi.
Speaker 5. Why did you leave your last hometown?
Nima oxirgi hometowningni tashlab ketding deyapti. 5-so'zda I loved my last hometown but I couldn't move here. Xo'sh, men hometownimni yaxshi ko'rardim, lekin bu yerga ko'chib kela olmadim. Nima uchun ko'chib ketding? Tashlab ketding desa, xo'p. It's because we broke up last summer. Broke up deganni bilasiz, kimdir bilan ajrashmoq. Xo'sh, yo'q, bu narsa emas. I want to start a better life for myself. Xullas, to'g'ri javob C bo'lar ekan, ya'ni o'zim uchun yaxshi hayot boshlamoqchiman. Shuning uchun hometown tashlab ketdim degan ma'no.
Why did you leave your last hometown? Speaker 6.
Can you get me there faster?
Can you get it faster?
Can you get me there faster?
Men o'sha yerga tezroq olib borib qo'ya olasizmi debdi. Endi to'g'ri javobimiz I can take you there right now. Hozirroq olib bora olaman o'sha yerga debdi. To'g'ri javobimiz bo'lishi mumkin. That's as fast as I can. Mana shu eng tez e'tibor olib borib bera olishim. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz B bo'ladi. Oh, thank you very much. No.
Speaker 7.
I'm going hunting with Joseph in Alaska.
Joseph bilan Alaskaga hunting uchun boryapman deyapti. Whenever you say, whatever you say, nima qilsang ham qilaver deganday 7-chida bu yerda. Oh, how clever of you. What is zo'r aqllilik qilyapsan, ya'ni J, that's like very maybe how clever of you degani qanchalik aqllisan-a deganday. Really, that sounds awesome. To'g'ri javob C bo'lar ekan. Ya'ni huntingga boryapman kimdir bilan desa, wow, zo'r ekan-a, zo'r demoqchi. That sounds awesome.
I am going hunting with Joseph in Alaska.
Seeker 8.
I will be moving into a new house in a few days.
Yangi uyga ko'chib o'taman 1-2 kunlarda deyapti. I certainly hope so. Men shunday qilib umid qilaman. Yo'q. Yes, I am. Men shunaqa yoki bunisi we will miss you. Okay. To'g'ri javob C ekan. Ya'ni yangi uyga ko'chib o'taman deyapti. Da men tilada endi miss qilib qolaman demoqchi bu yerda. Okay, very nice. And film actor, I think film actor degan mana shu bitta narsamiz part 2miz juda ham mashhur bo'lgan, ayniqsa 2024-yilda juda ham ko'p haqiqiy imtihonda tushgan. Adashmasam shu bo'lsa, lekin film actor haqida edi u ham. Hop, ikkinchi o'qiymiz mana.
Let's have a quick sleep. As soon as I get to it sounds like
Hop, tarjima qilamiz birinchi bor. Roger arrives at the film studio at nechidir p.m. Xullas, Roger degan odam studioga nechida kelar ekan. A woman does his ayol kishi uni nimadir qilib berar ekan. Nimani qilib beradi? Misol uchun film aktyorlarga nima qo'yib berish mumkin? His bilmadim endi masks bo'lishi mumkin, maskalarni to'g'rilab beradi demoqchi mumkin. After some has brushed his ear. So'ng to'g'rilagandan keyin deb ekan. Roger is playing in the new film. Xolos, yangi filmda qarang, yangi film boshqa narsa, avvalgi film boshqa narsa. Avvalgi filmda nimadir o'ynagan bo'lishi mumkin, hozirgi filmda va nimadir o'ynashi mumkin ekan. Film is delayed because the film nimadir is often late. Xolos, kino kechiktirilgan ekan, chunki kinoni nimadir kech chiqarilgan ekan. Okay. When filming ends, xolos filming tugagandan keyin Roger puts on his usual music bo'lishi mumkin. Put on degani qarang. Bu yerda kiymoq yoki eshitmoq degan ma'no bo'lishi mumkin. Menimcha har doimgi qo'shig'i. Put on ko'pincha qo'shiq ma'noda ham keladi yoki kiymoq ma'nosi ham bor bu yerda. Balki nimadir kiyar. Roger has nimadir after he gets some sleepy early. Sleepy early, okay? Hop, has after he gets home and sleepy early. Xullas qarang, uyga borgandan keyin u nimadir qilar ekan. Ya'ni misol uchun menimcha katta ehtimol bilan have a dinner yoki have a supper bo'lishi mumkin. Ya'ni ovqatlanadi degan ma'no. Uyga borgandan keyin nima qiladi? Ovqatlanish kerak edi.
You will hear a film actor called Roger talking on the school radio about his typical day. Every day I get up at 4 in the morning and I have to be ready
Qarang, 4 da ertalab turaman deyapti. 4 emas, to'g'ri javob. Biz studiyoga necha yetib borish kerak?
by 4:30 to get in the car to the studio. In the winter, it's still dark, and as the studio is only half an hour away, I'm there at 5. And
I'm there at 5. Qarang, I'm there at 5 degan so'zimiz to'g'ri javobda 5 bo'ladi. Ya'ni soat 4:30 ga chiqib ketar ekan, yo'l yarim soatlik yo'l ekan va soat 5 da o'sha yerda bo'lar ekan.
I don't get a chance to have a quick sleep. As soon as I get to the studio, I go to the hairdresser who brushes
Qarang, hairdresser, ya'ni ayolga aytibdi, hairdresserga boraman, who brushes my hair
my hair
and
into the hairstyle of the character I am playing.
men o'ynayotgan xarakterga o'xshatib beradi sochini deyapti.
This usually takes about half an hour.
Va bu 1,5 soatlar vaqt oladi.
When she finishes doing my hair, I
Soch tugagandan keyin, endi qarang, men buni aytish kerak hozir.
don't have to move from the chair because
chairdan men turishim shart emas. Misol uchun sochingiz to'g'rilib bo'lgandan keyin barberdan ham turasiz-ku. Shuni ham turish shart emas deb degan.
the makeup lady comes.
Okay, makeup lady. Okay. Ya'ni betini to'g'rilashga xolos makeuplar qo'yishi.
To me and prepares me for filming.
Okay, demak qarang. His makeup bo'ladi to'g'ri javobimiz. Makeup lady bo'lganligi uchun makeup nima ekanligini bilasiz. O'sha bo'yanish, xolos bu yerdagi misol uchun betida birozgina narsalar bo'ladigan o'shani o'xshatib berish, makiyaj qilish bo'ladi, xolos.
At the moment, I'm playing a police officer.
At the moment, I'm playing a police officer. Okay. Police officer. Okay, nice. Police bo'ladi. Police officer.
So I don't need a lot of makeup. In my last film, I played the
Qarang, in my last film, avvalgi filmimda
part of a big monster, and I
big monster bo'lib o'ynaganman
needed a lot of makeup,
va juda ham ko'p makiyaj kerak edi menda.
which took 5 hours to do.
5 soat olgan ekan.
It wasn't comfortable sitting in the same chair for such a long time.
5 soat o'tirish qiyin bo'lgan demoqchi.
After makeup, I'm given my costume to put on. At this point, I'm now ready to act, but it is never like that. The film director is either late or the engineers have
Qarang, film director har doim kech qoladi yoki kim? Bo'ldi, qarang, o'sha deyamiz film director bo'ladi. That's it. Mana o'sha birozgina qaytaraman.
time. After makeup, I'm given my costume to put on. At this point, I'm now ready to act, but it is never like that. The film director is either late or the
Qarang, film director is always late. Director.
engineers haven't finished with the scenery or lights. We don't usually start on time. When they are ready, I go into the studio and we act out the different scenes. This takes all day until about 5 p.m. when they remove my makeup and I get changed back into my normal clothes.
Qarang, normal clothes deyapti. Normal nima degani o'zingiz bilasiz. Normal degani usual degani. Usual degani bizda normal degani o'shada tarjimamiz bizda clothes. His normal clothes is okay, nice.
A car then takes me home, where I have dinner and
Where I have a dinner, okay.
go to bed.
Okay, nice. Dinner I can. Dinner I can. Mashina bo'ladi va mashina uyga boradi. Dinner qilaman va uxlayman.
10 p.m. Then the same happens the next day.
Va ikkalasi kuni yana shu bir xil narsa sodir bo'ladi. 5 makeup, police officer, director, clothes, then dinner. Very nice. That's very easy. I can tell it. And now let's move on to part 3 questions. Broader knowledge of the industry. Qarang, mana shu industry ni, misol uchun bitta industry, misol uchun silk industry bo'lishi mumkin, gold industry bo'lishi mumkin. Industryga juda ham broad bo'lgan bilimi bor ekan, ya'ni keng ko'lamli bilim. Improve its skills. O'zini salohiyatlarini oshirgan. Ideas for future career. Future karyerasi uchun g'oyalar. Pride in achievements. Nimadirda pride in degani faxrlanmoq. O'zini qilgan achievementlaridan faxrlanmoq. Greater self-awareness. Greater self-awareness degani o'zingizga bo'lgan bilimingizni oshirmoq. Qanaqa narsa bo'ladi? Misol uchun, o'zingiz haqingizda ko'proq bilasiz. Misol uchun, mana bu narsa qilish sizga yoqmaydi. Mana bu narsa qilish sizga yoqadi. Shu narsalarni o'zingizda ko'proq anglay olishingiz. The ability to work with colleagues. Colleaguelar bilan yaxshi ishlash qobiliyatlari. Okay, nice.
And everyday gym, where I have dinner and go to bed.
But the people I met in the office were all very
Journalism at university, so when the chance of a summer job at WOW magazine came,
Xo'sh, menimcha boshlash kerak. I hope so. Part 3, speaker 1. Nice.
Speaker 1.
Yeah.
I'm studying journalism at university, so when the chance of a summer job at WOW magazine came up, I jumped at it.
Men jurnalizmda ishlayman va menga bitta ish kelgan vaqtda jump qildim, ya'ni o'shani ishlashni boshlashga rozi bo'ldim.
It was unpaid, but it was totally worth
Tekin edi, lekin haqiqatan ham worth edi.
the effort. I learned more about the trade in 6 weeks on the magazine than I did in 2 years at college.
Kollejda 2 yil o'rganmagan narsamni magazinda 2 haftada o'rganib oldim deb.
I did a lot of overtime. I was exhausted by the end of the day, but I was keen, so I didn't mind. In fact, it's vital to go the extra mile. It gets you
Juda ham charchardim oxirgi kunlarda, lekin bu juda ham muhim, to go extra mile degani ko'proq harakat qilish.
noticed and makes it more likely that you'll be offered a job when you finally graduated.
graduate qilganingizdan keyin mana shu bilimlaringiz общий sizga foydali bo'ladi degan ma'noda. To'g'ri javobimiz bizda A bo'ladi. Nimaga 15-si A? Qarang, broader knowledge dedi. O'sha narsani qaysi so'z bilan aytdi pastrog'imizni? Audioda aytdimi? 2 yil o'rganmagan kollejdagi narsani o'sha yerda 2 haftada o'rganib oldim deyapti.
Speaker 2.
I think to make it in the magazine business, you have to be a certain type of person.
Magazin biznesga kirish uchun siz mana shunaqa bir odam bo'lishingiz kerak. Qanaqa?
I mean, I'm quite sociable, which is fine, but I'm not what you call pushy.
I'm not sociable, lekin pushy emasman. Pushy degan misol uchun bir narsani qilishga juda ham harakat ko'proq qiladi va boshqalarni ham degan odam.
I'll do what's asked of me, whether it's checking computer records
Misol uchun aytyapti, menga aytilgan ishni qilaman, lekin aytilmasa qilmayman o'zimdan bilib demoqchi.
or even working extra hours, because I don't want to cause a fuss. But the people I met in the office were all very driven. They knew
Lekin men ofisdagi odamlarim bo'ladigan bo'lsa, hammasi shular ishlar qilishga o'zi juda ham qiziqadi.
what they wanted and would go to any lengths to get their way.
Okay.
I think that's essential in journalism, and
Journalismda bu juda ham muhim.
this realization has kind of put me off it, frankly.
Qarang, this realization degani self-awareness-ga qandaydir ma'noda synonim bo'lishi mumkin. Self-awareness, realization. Anglash degani chunki self-awareness o'zini bilish, o'zini anglash. Realization degani ham anglash.
It's not really me. Time to explore other options.
Okay, it's not really me, time to other options. Boshqa variantlarni ham ko'rish kerak, faqat men emas demoqchi. Okay, demak qarang, achievement haqida gap yo'q, future career haqida gap yo'q, skill haqida ham gap yo'q, xo'sh, kollegalar bilan ishlash haqida ham gap yo'q. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz o'zi self awareness bo'ladi. Nimaga? Chunki realization degan so'z borligi uchun. Realization o'zini fahmlash degan.
Speaker 3.
I was surprised to get a temporary job at Country House magazine. The staff weren't at all as I'd expected. Everyone was so friendly and welcoming.
Men kutganimdan o'zi anchaga yaxshi bo'ldi, chunki hamma friendly edi.
That was a relief because I'm quite shy and get nervous when I meet new people. I did mostly administrative work. I'm good
Administrative worklarni qildim ko'pincha.
at that sort of thing. I can apply myself to any task. So I made a good impression. The editor told me she liked people with focus. They make the best journalists. And I met some interesting people who promised to help me find work when I finally graduate.
Qarang, graduate qilgandan keyin o'zi ishlashimga yordam beradigan odamlarni ham topdim demoqchi.
If I decide to go into journalism. So that was nice.
Agar jurnalizmga qoladigan bo'lsam, menga yordam bera oladi mana shu odamlar, shunaqa bo'ladi, yordam beradi demoqchi. Graduate qilgandan keyin demak, qarang, improve its skills. Biror narsa improve qilgani yo'q. Buni skilllarini, o'sha skilllarini oshirdim, o'rgandim deyapti. Xo'sh, future career haqida gap bormi? Demak, gapimiz bor. Nimaga? Chunki hozirda bitirgandan keyin mana shu odamlar yordam beradi menga, shu narsalarni topib oldim dedi. Bo'lishi bo'lishi mumkin. Xo'p, achievement haqida gap yo'q. Ability to work with colleagues. Kollegalar bilan ishlash mahorati haqida gap yo'q. So I think that's C. But a little bit of tricky, right?
Speaker 4. A friend of my uncle got me a job on the magazine. It wasn't badly paid and the hours were decent. The thing was, though, everyone's
Judayam yaxshi to'lamas edi, lekin soat yaxshi edi.
seemed so fussy and obsessed with little things. Like the
Mayda detalchalar bilan judayam berilgan odam edi.
getting mad if I got a date wrong or misspelt someone's name.
Kimdir ismini xato talaffuz qilsam yoki qanaqadir bir narsa xato yozib yuboradigan bo'lsam, juda hisob zud bitardi.
I guess that kind of nitpicking is a must for journalists, though.
Journalist bo'lish uchun mana shunaqa narsa kerak menimcha.
Especially with an online magazine. Anyway, my worry was I knew I wasn't really much of a team player.
I knew I wasn't much of a team player. Team player degani men o'zi hamma bilan ishlaydigan odam emas edim. O'zi bilardim bu narsani demoqchi. Demak,
I preferred to do my own thing, but
lekin o'zimni qiladigan narsamni har doim xohlaganman.
I was prepared to put that to one side and try and knuckle down and take orders, which produced good results.
Xullas, men hammasini shularni o'ylashlarida sal bir chekka surib qo'ydimdagi order kelgan bo'lsa hammasini qilishga harakat qildim va juda ham yaxshi natijalar olib keldi demoqchi. To'g'ri javobimiz nima bo'ladi? 17-siga I think now 17 deb 18-siga. I think it's about ability to work with colleagues, ya'ni kollegiyalar bilan ishlash. Qanday qilib, nimaga? Chunki aytdim, I'm not a good team player dedimi? Team player. Team degani o'sha work with colleagues ga sinonim bo'lgani uchun mana shuni olyapmiz. A little tricky, I think, little tricky. Birozgina tricky bo'lib kelgan, lekin it's not that difficult, honestly. So, ability to work with so'zimiz team player or team so'zi bo'lganligi uchun. Part 4 ga keladigan bo'lsa, part 4 is map. And so, let me give you an overview of this. There you go. Oh, bu yerda qarang. Pond bor, Mega Marshall Memorial Gardens, okay. River, va car park. Nice.
You'll find a face painting. We expect every child under the age of 10 to get their faces painted, but this activity is for children only. On the other side of the park, past the pond, we'll set up the band straight right on the edge of the river. Several great local bands have agreed to perform for...
Qarang, bandga o'tib ketib qoldi. Demak, biz 3 ta javob o'tkazib yuborganmiz. Yo'qmasga.
Going on from the raffle. Again, we'll hold the village fete in Riverside Park.
Mana endi boshlaymiz.
Once again, we'll hold the village fete in Riverside Park. You've all got a copy of the map of the park. Let's take a moment to explain the key locations for the fete. Entering from the car park, you'll
car parkdan kiradigan bo'lsangiz,
take the path to the left.
To the left. Leftga qarab ketayotgan pathni olasiz, ya'ni mana bu tomonga qarab ketasiz demoqchi.
Leading towards the Memorial Garden.
Memorial Gardenga olib boradigan.
Before you reach the gardens,
gardenga yetib bormasizdan oldin,
you'll come to the raffle.
Rafflega yetib borasiz. Okay, demak, to'g'ri javobimiz nima bo'ladi? To'gri javobimiz 19-siga o'zida ijomimiz to'g'ri bo'ladi. Chunki bu yerdan chapga borib, endi yetib borayotgan vaqtlar Memorial Gardenga ijomimiz turibdi. So, there you go.
This will allow us to sell a lot of raffle tickets. Going on from the raffle, directly across from the memorial.
Qarang, raffledan directly cross qilasiz, o'tasiz u yerdan demoqchi. Shundan keyin qayerga borar ekan? Xo'sh. Cross degani qarang, mana shu yerdan bo'ladigan bo'lsa, cross bo'lsa yo o'tamonga ketib bo'lmaydi. Yo bu tomonga borish kerak. Tepaga chiqishingiz kerak ekan demak.
Gardens, it's where we'll have the jam tasting. Our local jam makers have agreed to donate 10% of their sales at the fete, so that will help us reach our goal. Moving on from the jam tasting,
qarang, jam tasting degan joy mana bunaqa. Mana jam tasting ekan, xullas bu bizga kerak emas joy.
You come to the river, you'll find the face painting.
River tomonga yuradigan bo'lsangiz, face painting uchraysiz. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz C, face painting. Qarang, mana shu bunaqa map real imtihoningizga kelish ehtimoli juda ham past. Eslab qoling qanaqa, chunki siz listening reading qilayotgan vaqtingiz, ayniqsa map savolda siz har bitta misol uchun deylik raffle keldi, ba'zi raffle chiqqandan keyin yana car parkdan boshlash kerak edi o'zi aslida, lekin o'sha raffle mana bu yerda raffledan keyin bitta narsa aytib o'tgandan keyin buni aytyapti, bundan ham keyin shunga mana shu yerdan boshlab baqirab kelishi mumkin. Yoki mana bu yerdan o'tib bunga yana ketish mumkin. Lekin qanaqa o'zi asl imtihonda siz bittani topdingizmi? Mana misol uchun men bundan keyin yana bir boshdan kelish kerak. Nimaga bo'lishi bu narsa desak, qarang, birinchisini topolmagan odam o'zi agar ikkinchisini ham topolmay qolish ehtimoli bor. Ikkinchisini ham topolmagan odam uchinchisini ham topolmay, uchta, to'rtta ham topolmay qolib ketaveradi shunaqa. Shuning uchun agar mana shunaqa map bo'ladigan bo'lsa.
We expect every child under the age of 10 to get their faces painted, but this activity is for children only. On the other side of the park, past the pond.
Qarang, past the pond, ponddan o'tadigan bo'lsangiz, tak, boshqa tomonida, hamon boshqa tomonida, yaxshi. Xo'sh.
We'll set up the band straight right on the edge of the river.
On the edge of the river bir burchagiga qo'ydik bandni. Okay, topdik.
Several great local bands have agreed to perform for free, so we'll have great tunes throughout the day. Next to the bandstand.
Bandstanddan keyingisi, ya'ni B joyimiz o'sha yerdagisi.
Heading back towards the car park, we'll
Heading back to the car parkga qarab turadigan.
Have the drink stand.
Drinks ban.
This will be right next to the kids' games. So
Qarang, mana bu bir narsa band dedi. Bu qanaqadir bir narsa bandimiz. Bu kerak emas, mana bu yerimizda yo'q. O'shandan bitta yonidagisi bo'ladigan bo'lsa kids game dedi. Ya'ni joyimiz mana bu Sam's kids game. B bo'ladigan bo'lsa qanaqadir band yana bitta.
they will be able to sell drinks to those enjoying the music, and any parents and little ones who work up a thirst at the games. Again, all the kids' games are only for children. The exception is the egg and spoon race, which will be repeated at intervals throughout the day, so everyone can compete. The races will take place between the kids' games and the car park. Unfortunately, we've had to discontinue the three-legged race for legal reasons. There were far too many injuries last year. That's why we're letting adults join in the egg and spoon race. It's £2 per person, so we expect that will really help us hit our goal.
To'g'risi qarang, mana bu fani bo'yi chiqarib tashlaganda qayerdir deganligi uchun buni chiqarib tashladik, bu bo'ldi. Bittagina qoladigan joyimiz jiddiy holatda ijod olamiz. Bu narsalar haqida gapiryapti yana. To'g'risi dabdala reading, ya'ni map ekan, bunaqa tushish ehtimoli 99% dan 1% eslab qoling. 1% da ehtimoli bor. Yo'q emas, chunki o'tgan yili shunaqa tushib ham qoldi-da. 1% demaylik mayli. 1% demaylik bu narsani 1% o'ta ham kam bo'lib qoladi. Let me say it's like 5%. 5% mana shunaqa dabdala map olib qo'yish mumkin. Bu lekin anchagina realitydan anchagina yiroqda. Chunki o'tgan yili mana shunaqa map tushirganligi uchun haqiqiy imtihonda anchagina jalba borgan. Davlat test imtihon markaziga o'shaning uchun bunaqa hozir qo'yilmayapti. Hozir qanaqa? Mana aytganimdek, birinchisini topa oldingizmi, topa olmadingizmi, ikkinchisini topishingizga imkoniyatingiz bor, chunki korpakdan boshlaydi. Xuddi shunaqa. Buyog'i dabdala to'g'risi. O'sha menimcha testdan unaqa ko'p really authentic emas, mayli, lekin biz practice qilishimiz uchun bo'lib turibdi hozircha. So we have two more parts, which is part 5 and part 6. So the first one is extract 1 haqida. So qarang, does the man mention his uncle? Does the man mention his uncle? Amaksini aytib o'tganmikan deb degan yoki nima uchun aytib o'tgan? To criticize his attitude to technology. Texnologiyaga uning amaksini xulq-atvorini, misol uchun nima deb o'ylayotgan texnologiya? Misol uchun texnologiya yomon. Biz shuni aytmoqchimikan uncle'ini keltirib. Challenge a recommendation made by women. Challenge degani qarang, bu yerda nima ma'noda kelyapti? Challenge degani o'sha narsani question qilish, ya'ni savolga tutish degan ma'noda. Rekomendatsiyalar, ayollar tomonidan berilgan rekomendatsiyalarni savolga tutish deylik. Illustrates the power of media. Mediani powerni ko'rsatib berish. Okay. So they agree that modern technology, xolos ikkovi ham qarshi shunaqa deb degan, modern texnologiyalarimiz haqida makes little difference to the accessibility of personal information. Personal informationlarga juda ham maydagina farqi bor ekan. Menimcha katta ehtimol bilan bo'lmaydi 25-ga. Nimaga? Chunki o'zi anchagina katta ehtimol, ya'ni katta narsa keltirib bo'lgan, katta difference bor. Is less invasive than some people suggest. Invasive degani qarang, bosib oladigan degan so'zimiz aslida bu yerda ma'nosi endi. Misol uchun texnologiyadan foydalanadigan bo'lsangiz, sizni personal informationlaringizni o'g'irlab oladi yoki shu narsalarga aytmoqchi. Endi less invasive desa, odamlar aytganidan ko'ra uncha ko'p narsani olmaydi deb o'ylabdi ekan texnologiya. Will continue to reduce people's privacy. Odamlarning shaxsiy informatsiyalarini privacy-sini xolos kamaytirar ekan. Menimcha katta ehtimol bilan mana shu. Chunki o'zi o'ylab ko'rsangiz ham shunaqada, mana misol uchun texnologiyalar aslida aytyapti, sizni personal informationlaringizga katta farq ko'rsatmaydi deyapti. Farq ko'rsatadi, chunki sizda deyarli telefoningizda hamma narsangiz bor. Pasport raqamingiz, tug'ilgan yilingiz, bank akkauntlaringiz, hamma narsa, pin kod, everything, you know. Bijavobda nima deyapti? Tam aytganda, odamlar aytgandan ko'ra kamroq sizni privacygizga keladi deyapti. Bunisidachi, bunisida privacy kamayib ketadi bundan keyin deyapti. Katta ehtimol bilan, I think. So bunisida nima uchun aytgan? Ko'ramiz, eshitilisizmi ekan?
Agreed to donate 10% of their sales at the fete. So we'll be, in terms of the kids' games, the chocolate bar.
You hear two friends talking about
Doom and gloom.
You may laugh, but after what happened yesterday,
Okay, fine.
you know, I think privacy as we used to understand it is a thing of the past.
Why do you say that? Not another scare story in the papers. They're always
Aytyapti ekan, biz o'zi privacylarimiz o'zi allaqachon yo'q narsa bo'ldi debdi. Nima uchun debsan degan ayol.
It's full of fanciful tales of doom and gloom.
You may laugh, but after what happened yesterday,
What did happen?
I was discussing the whole issue with an uncle of mine
Mana shunaqa ishlarni hammasini discuss qilayotgan edim amakim bilan.
who's just turned 85.
85 ga kirdi, ya'ni 85 ga kirgan odam bilan.
He proudly informed me that there couldn't be any data relating to him on the internet because
Aytyapti ekan, unda hech qanaqa data information yo'q ekan internetda. Uni so'rish qiladigan bo'lsa 85 ga kirgan-ku, uni siz bo'lmaydi haqiqatan deyarli.
he'd never used a computer.
Oh, fair
Chunki kompyuter hech qachon ishlatmagan ekan.
enough, surely.
Well, I only spent a couple of minutes searching and was still able to come up with quite a bit of stuff about him.
Men birozgina search qilgandan keyin shunaqa narsa topib oldim dedi.
Really? That's a bit worrying. I bet he was taken aback, wasn't he?
He was stunned, speechless.
Qarang, nima bo'libdi ekan? Xullas, amaksi bilan gaplashib o'tirgan ekan texnologiyalar haqida. Amaksi aytdi ekan, men kompyuterda hech qachon ishlatmaganligim uchun men haqimda hech narsa topa olmaysan debdi ekan. Telefon bacha bu aytayotgan erkak telefoni bekman chuqalab ketgandan amaksi haqida narsa topib ekan. Topibdi qanaqadir misol uchun nimadir, misol uchun rasmimi, qachon tug'ilganligi, qachon bu narsalar, qanaqadir bir information. Shundan keyin speechless bo'lib qolibdi ekan amaksi. Ya'ni o'ylanib, wow deb hayron qolgan.
Asked me to remove it all from cyberspace.
Cyberspace'da hammasidan remove qilib tashlashimni so'radi deyapti.
It doesn't work like that, of course.
Lekin unaqa ishlamaydi, o'z bilasiz, o'chirib tashlamaysiz unaqa narsani.
What's there is there.
That does seem an
What's there is there. Ya'ni nima bor bo'lsa, o'zi bor bo'ldi.
erosion of privacy. Mind you, come to think of it, I
Mind you, come to think of it, bundan tashqari,
suppose there's also been some information available on us all for a while, way before.
Hop qarang, nima uchun endi aytyapti debdi mana bu yerda. Uncle nima uchun aytdi? Texnologiya hana criticize qilish uchun aytayotgani yo'q bu yerda, tojiyamiz emas. Birinchida challenge the recommendation. Ayollar haqida umuman gapimiz yo'q. Sijom so'ri bo'ladi nimaga? Mediani kuchini ko'rsatib berish uchun. Amaksi kompyuter ishlatmagan uchun ishlar topolmaysan degan. Bu bo'ladigan bo'lsa shapka topib bergan, hayron qolgan. O'sha uchun mediani kuchini ko'rsatib beryapti bu yerda, tojiyamiz. Hop, endi texnologiya haqida endi agree bo'lyapti.
Or the days of the internet.
But it wasn't so easy to get at, and the situation's not going to improve.
The situation is not going to improve. Endi bundan keyin menimcha shu privacylarimiz o'zimizda qolishi bo'lmasa kerak, yana ko'payib ketaveradi.
No, I guess not. Quite the opposite.
It's not quite opposite. Ya'ni boyaga aytgan narsam, to'g'ri I am sure it's C, ya'ni mana bu odamlarda privacysi bundan keyin kamayib ketishi davom ettiradi deyapti. Invasive haqida gapman yo'q. Va personal informationlar ga less difference ko'rsatadi degan gapimiz ham yo'q. Hop, extract to nima deb turgan. What does a woman think about her boss's idea? Bu opichamiz xullas nima deb o'ylaykan u kishini xo'jayinini idealari haqida. She's surprised at forward-looking attitude. Forward-looking attitude degan kelajakka bo'lgan behavior haqida surprise bo'lgan ekan. She is dismissive. Dismissive degani bu yerda yo'q deydi-ku. Misol uchun qanaqa idea aytsangiz kimgadir, ya bo'ldi unaqa narsa emas, yo bu narsa qilmaymiz deydigan odam ekan. Of his attention to details. Detallarga bo'lgan uni ishini plus dismissive bo'lgan ekan bu ayolimiz. She is concerned about generosity towards customers. Customerlarga bo'lgan generosity degani bu yerda qaysi ma'no? Misol uchun siz customerlarga tekinga mana shunaqa narsa beramiz, misol uchun deylik 10 ta proshka olsa 10 tasini pulini to'lasa 20 ta qilib beramiz degan narsani sizga concerned bo'lgan ekan. So in reacting the women's comments, ayol kishini kommentariyasiga reaksiya bildirishda man reveals that erkak aytgan ekanki he is determined to change practice at his own workplace. O'zini xonasida change olib kelishga haqiqatdan qaror qilgan ekan. Is unsure about the fact that she is presenting to him. Ishonch hosil bo'lmagan ekan, u haqiqatdan ham unga, ya'ni qiz bola haqiqatdan ham unga ko'rsatayotganligini, idealarini menimcha. So doubtful whether his chef would accept new ideas. Shefi, ya'ni oshpazi haqiqatdan ham bu yangi g'oyalarni accept qiladi yoki qilmayishligida doubtful bo'lgan. Doubtful degani ya'ni ishonmaslik bu yerda ma'nosi deylik. So let's listen what it says.
Okay, maybe I'd better talk to my head chef. Might be fighting an uphill battle, though.
There are other things you can do too. My chef's obsessive about portion control, keeping an eye on how much food customers leave, and
aytibdi bu yerda erkak kishi menimcha men oshpazim bilan gaplashsam kerak deyapti. Bu ayol aytgan keyin undan oldin уже menda ham undan oldin boshqa qiladigan ishlaring ham bor deganday.
Altering dishes accordingly.
Don't you get complaints about small servings?
Granted, we don't do enormous portions, but if occasionally someone wants a little bit more, we'll give it to them.
Servislar haqida nima bo'ladi deb kelgan ayol erkak. Keyin ayol kishi aytgan, agar kimdir yana qanaqadir ovqat so'rasa bizdan, keyin olib borib beramiz debdi.
Works, honest.
Don't suppose we'd go far down that road.
Biz uni qilmasa kerak ekan debdi. Okay, birozgina menimcha o'tkazib yuborganni boshida. Hali bitta boshdan eshitamiz. O'sha boshdan mana aytadi.
Did you know that over 7 million tons of food is thrown away every year in the UK?
Really? That's one big garbage mountain.
Yeah, and
Plus bilarmiding UKda o'sha mana shuncha miqdordagi food tashlab yuboriladi deb.
Costs huge amounts to collect, not to mention clogging landfills and producing vast amounts of CO2 emissions.
O'sha ko'p narsa muammolar bo'ladi, misol uchun landfilllar bo'ladi. Landfill degani musorxona, katta musorxona faqat. O'sha yerlar, undan tashqari CO emissionlar bor, har xil gazlar tarqaydi. Bularni collect qilish juda ham katta pul sarflaydi.
There's not much we can do about it though, is there?
Well, actually,
ko'p narsa qila olmaymiz, qila olamizmi deb.
Restaurants are some of the worst offenders. That's why we adopted responsible practices in our kitchen a while back.
Bilasizmi, o'sha restoranlar haqiqatdan ham o'sha aybdorlar, eng katta aybdorlardan bittasi, chunki qolib ketgan ovqatni tashlab yuboradi.
We've only got one garbage bin now, despite having 100 seats, but two.
Bittagina musor xaltachamiz bor, yoki musor qutimiz bor, mingtalab stolimiz bo'lgan.
Compost machines for food waste.
Oh, come on. We've got 4 or 5 bins and only 60 seats at our place.
Bizada 60 ta stol edimi, 16 ta stol edimi, o'shanga qaramasdan bizada nechtadir qutilar bor, shunaqa musor tashlaydigan.
Look, anything is possible. Our place is unrecognizable from what it was like last year. As is
o'tgan yildan ko'ra tanib bo'lmaydigan o'sha holga hamki bo'lgan.
My boss. Can't think what's got into him.
Thinking ahead for a change.
Thinking ahead for a change deb ekan, ya'ni o'sha yangi narsalar haqida o'ylayapti. Thinking ahead degani forward thinking, forward looking attitude. Thinking ahead. Eslab qoling, thinking ahead degan birorta narsani oldindan o'ylash. Forward looking degan narsamiz ham bir xil narsa bo'lar ekan. Demak, to'g'ri javobimiz A.
Okay, maybe I'd better talk to my head chef. Might be fighting an uphill battle, though.
There are other things you can do too. My chef's obsessive about portion control, keeping an eye on how much food customers leave, and
Va aytgan, men baba oshpaz bilan gaplashaman deb ekanman bu erkak kishi, lekin aytibdi, sen qilishing kerak bo'lgan boshqa ishlaring ham bor, misol uchun.
answering dishes accordingly.
Don't you get...
Musorlarni, ya'ni qolgan ovqatlarni accordingly tashlash, misol uchun go'shtli ovqatlar bunga tushishi kerak, deylik, xamirli ovqat bunga tushishi kerak, har xil dishlarga solishing kerak demoqchi ekan. 27-da.
Complaints about small servings.
Granted, we don't do enormous portions, but if occasionally someone wants a little bit more, we'll give it to them. It works, honest.
Shunaqa u ishlaydi deyapti ekan. Xullas, ayol kishi bilan shunaqa dedi, keyin erkak aytibdi.
I suppose we go far down that road.
Bilmadim-da, biz unaqa ish qilmasak kerak-ku degan. Qarang, I suppose we do not go that down that road dedimi? Shunaqa dedi. Shuncha unaqa ish qilmasak kerak dedi. Bu nima degani? Doubtful whether his chef would accept new ideas. There you go. Qarang, chef haqida gap yo'q, lekin aytyapti, bilmadim-da, lekin biz uncha uzoq bormasak kerak degani o'sha mana bu yerda doubtful degan so'zini olib kelib berib turibdi. Unsure about the fact that she is presenting to him. Unsure about she is presenting us, determined to practice his own workplace'larda qilamiz demadi, biz qilmaymiz dedi nabarat. Bu narsamiz boshqa xato. 22-da. Of extract 3-chi, the woman thinks experiment was important. Experiment juda muhim bo'lgan ekan, chunki nimaga? Provide unexpected result. Kutilmagan natijalar olib kelganligi uchun. It presents a great physical challenge. Physical challenge olib kelganligi uchun yoki it raised the public awareness of the subject. Mana shu subjektimiz haqida bo'lgan bilimni publicga yoyib berdi debdi. She believes celebrating special eventlarni nishonlash convinces people that time passes more quickly. Odamlarni vaqt tez o'tishiga ishontirar ekan. Provides people with pleasant memories. Odamlarga yaxshi xotiralar olib kelar ekan. Gives people a sense of structure when recalling the past. Recalling the past again, remembering the past. Eslayotgan vaqti, pastki narsalarimiz haqida eslayotgan vaqti odamlarga qanaqadir bir struktura berar ekan. Misol uchun, mana shu yilda mana shu tug'ilgan kunim bo'lgan, bunisida bunaqa tug'ilgan kun qilganman, bunisida 50 kishilik to'y berganman, osh berganman degan ma'noda.
Extract 3. You hear two students talking about an experiment into the way people perceive time. Now look at questions 5 and 6.
Okay, so...
Do you know anything about that experiment the lecturer was referring to?
I've looked it up. It involved this Frenchman spending 2 months in a cave under a glacier in 1962, I think it was. He was 100 meters below ground, and because he had nothing to track the time, no clock obviously, no sun either, he got disorientated.
Xullas qarang, bitta eksperiment bo'lgan ekan. Qayerda u tog'lar tagida, hech qanaqa soatlar bo'lmagan, hech narsasi bo'lmaganligi uchun o'sha vaqtda disoriented bo'lgan ekan. Disoriented degani topolmay qolgan, yo'qolib qolganda.
When he came back up, he thought he'd been down there for just 34 days.
U o'ylagan ekan 35 days shu yerda qolib ketibman, 35 kun o'shalarda qolib ketibman deb o'ylabdi ekan qaytib kelgan vaqt.
Very revealing for the researchers, who'd anticipated it would go the other way. Various stuntmen and entertainers have done similar things to push themselves to extremes, but
va boshqa odamlar ham shunaqa ish qilib ko'rgan ekan. Misol uchun entertainmentlar, misol uchun youtuberlar Qoratagon deylik YouTube uchun qaysidir o'rmonga borib 30 kun yashayman mana shu yerda, yasha olamanmi, yasha olmaymanmi degan narsani ko'rish uchun boradi-yu. Xuddi shunaqa ko'rgan deb degan. Xo'sh.
And of course, they've always got an eye on the headlines they'll create.
That's fascinating.
Yes, it's all about temporal landmarks. They're really important. If you build more of them into your life, you'll experience time differently. Days and years won't be one undifferentiated mush. Temporal landmarks help stop the feeling that
qanaqadir temporal landmarks debdi. Nima ekanligini I don't really understand, but it's sort of a phrase than a real object. Ya'ni birorta narsa emas, ushlab ko'radigan yoki qanaqadir fraza daxlash beradiz. Referring some kind of name.
Time's whizzing by. I bet, for example, you would
aniq ishonamanki
retain memories of events that happened.
Siz any pleasant memorial, как memory nima deydi? Memoryni xotiralarga
near the beginning or end of term, they're
boshiga, oxiriga qaraysiz debdi.
kind of landmarks, better than those that happen somewhere in between.
Okay, so landmark. I bet you remember these events. Mother, beginning and the ending. Xullas qarang, mana shunaqa so'zlarimiz kelyapti-yu, bular nimani olib bormoqchi bizda qarang. People sense of structure. Structure degani mana bu beginning, ending degan so'zlarimiz mana shu structure ni olib keladi. Sizlar eslab qoling. Va remember this event degan so'zimiz recall bilan bir xil. Remember or recall, they are same words. Xo'sh. Qarang, demak 29-ga C bo'ladi, faqat 28-ga javob nima bo'ladi degan savol. They provide unexpected results. Result qilgan, lekin unexpected degan so'zni hozir menimcha ko'rganim yo'q. Unexpected results. It presents a great physical challenge. Qarang, physical challenge olib kelganligi uchun demadi, bu javob haqiqatan false. Ya'ni to'g'ri emas. It raised the public awareness. Odamlarni mana shu subject bo'yicha bilimini oshirdi degani ham yo'q lekin. Xo'sh, demak menimcha katta ehtimol bilan to'g'ri javobimiz A bo'ladi. Sabab bu ikkita xato bo'lganligi uchun. Only option left is A. Kichik qiyin ekan to'g'risi. Shu extractlarimiz o'zi hammasi. No, bitta extractlar emas, umumiy option listening authenticga yaqinroq bo'lmaganligi uchun menimcha birozgina qiyinroq. Mana bu maplar va dabdala listening undan ham katta qiyinroq bo'lib turibdi. Va part 6 ni ko'raylik, yana ham qanaqa darajada ekan part 6. Sarah was surprised to learn that seabirds have been known to eat light nimadir on occasions. On occasions degani ba'zi vaqtlarda Sarah degan qiz bola surprise bo'lgan ekan. Seabird qushlarimiz, mana shu qushlarimiz nimadirlarni ham yer ekan. Light, menimcha light degani yengil nimadirni ham yer ekan xullas. Sarah says that plastic can be compared to Sarah aytgan ekan, plastigimiz nimadirga taqqoslanishi mumkin ekan because of the way it absorbs dangerous substances. Ikkovi ham har xil danger bo'lgan substancelarni o'ziga olganligi uchun. Xo'sh, demak bizga plastikka o'xshagan narsa kerak bu yerda. Har xil yomon narsalarni o'ziga tortib oladigan. Sarah learned that toxins degan shu zaharli moddalar in plastic. Plastikdagi zaharli moddalar harm nimadir sistemasini, qarang, ko'p hayvonlardagi nimadir sistemasini yoki nimadir sistemasiga harm qilar ekan. Menimcha digestive bo'lsa kerak. Digestive nima degani? Ya'ni yeydigan sistema. Yeganingizdan keyin oshqozon sistemasi deymiz-ku, shunaqa sistemaga zarar yetkazishi mumkin. Balki shunga. Sarah explained how breakdown of plastic items into small particles is caused by mother and the effects of sun. Oh my gosh, that's Sarah tushuntirib bergan ekan. Breakdown of plastic degani plastikni mayda bo'laklari into small particles degan undan ham mayda bo'lgan bir bo'lakchalar is caused by nima tomonidan cause qilingan ekan. Nimadir tomonidan va the effects of the sun, quyosh tomonidan va nimadir tomonidan. Sarah says the most plastic in the sea has origin in qaysidir sources. Demak, Sarah aytgan ekan, plastiklarimizda eng ko'p plastiklar qaysidir sourcedan olinadi, chiqadi deb. Sarah gives an example of nimadir misolida tushuntirib bergan ekan. Instead of house detergent. Okay. Xo'p, xullas nimadirda misol keltiradi, o'sha nimadir misolini ushlab olishimiz kerak xolos.
So establish a few landmarks. Remember that happen.
Problem of pollution. I think many people are unaware of just how serious this is and the consequences it has for marine life. My interest started when I was working as a volunteer on a beach cleanup project called Cleaner Coasts and was introduced to my current boss. He persuaded me to come and work full-time for the environmental group he just established under the name Water Response. And I've
Water Response degan bitta projektga qo'shib qo'ygan ekan. O'zi yarim stavka borib ishlayman, bir stavka qilib qo'ygan. Environmentalist projectlarga qo'shib.
Never regretted my decision. I soon found myself face to face with the direct consequences of ocean pollution, as my job involves helping to save seabirds who have swallowed the litter found floating on ocean surfaces.
Ocean surface yuradigan bir narsa dedi, to'xtang. Diqqatdan ham shu.
Such a wide beach cleanup project called Cleaner Coasts and was introduced to my current boss. He persuaded me to come and work full-time for the environmental group he'd just established under the name Water Response, and I've never regretted my decision. I soon found myself face-to-face with the direct consequences of ocean pollution, as my job involves helping to save seabirds
who have swallowed kim yutib yuborgan, nimani yutib yuborgan? Qarang, it degan bu yerda swallow bo'lyapti. Swallow degani it degani. Swallow yutib yubormoq, it degani yemoq. Nimani yer ekan?
The litter found
light litter
on ocean surfaces.
Xullas, ocean surfacelarda yurgan litrlarni yer ekan. Litter degani musor degani. Musorlarda ham yer ekan, xullas, seabirdlar.
Mistaking it for food
deb ketgani ovqat deb adashib yeb qo'yar ekan ularni.
There is such a wide range of garbage entering the oceans now, and we rescue birds that have consumed everything from plastic bags to balloons and even light bulbs on occasion, would you believe?
She was surprised to learn that seabirds have been known to eat. Qarang, yo, litter bo'lmar ekan bu yerda. Bu yerdagisi hozir qarang, on occasion degan so'zni ishlatdi. Bundan tashqari surprisedga birozgina turtki berib ketdi mana shu yerda. To'g'ri javobimiz endi boshqa javob ekan.
On ocean surfaces, mistaking it for food. There is such a wide range of garbage entering the oceans now.
Okeanga juda ham katta miqdorda bo'lgan hozir musorlar kirib kelyapti.
And we rescue birds that have
biz mana shu birdlarga, qushlarga yordam beramiz. Nimani yutib yuborgan?
Consumed everything from plastic baglardan,
misol salfandan yutib yuborgan,
bags to balloons,
ballonlarni,
and even light bulb.
qarang, even light, mana even it degani light bulbs ekan to'g'ri bulb. Oh my gosh, like bulb degani bilasiz, lampochka degani. Bulb, bulbs right there. Yes, bulbs. Lampochkalar deb e'tibor ekan.
On occasion, would you believe?
Would you believe degani surprise degan so'z bilan. Would you believe harsh surprise? Nima uchun surprise'ga would you believe ni olyapmiz? Nimaga? Chunki qarang, would you believe degan ishonsangiz degan ma'no. Ishonsangiz mashg'ulot ham yutib orar ekan deb surprise qilyapti.
Things like plastic bottle tops are common finds,
Plastic toplarimiz o'sha common find, ya'ni hamma joydan topiladi.
Unfortunately, too. Another aspect of my work is removing as much of this debris from the coast as possible.
Coastdan, sohildan iloji boricha mana shunaqa debrislarni yo'q qilish meni ishim.
Plastics are particularly dangerous for marine creatures.
Marine creatureslar uchun plastik juda ham harmful.
As they contain what are known as organic pollutants.
Organic pollutants degan narsalarni ichiga olganligi uchun plastik.
This is because plastics draw in a high concentration of damaging poisons, acting like a sort of chemical sponge.
Chemical sponge ga o'xshaganligi uchun degan qarang, acting like a chemical sponge. Acting like a chemical sponge. Sponge nima ekanligini bilsangiz kerak. Sponge degani sponge yozilardi. Sponge degani machalka degani bilsangiz, machalka. O'zbek tilida bo'lsa kerak shu machalka narsani, misol uchun mashina yuvishga ishlatiladi-ku. Sariq bo'ladi, yumshoq. O'sha narsamizga o'xshash deyapti. Act like degan so'zimiz bu yerda compared to. Xuddi o'sha narsaga taqqoslayapti bu yerda. Chemical sponge deb yoza olmaymiz. Sponge ni o'zi bo'ladi demayapmiz. Sponge.
This is really bad news, you see. These chemicals affect not only a seabird's digestive system,
qarang, digestive system dan tashqari yana nimaga zarar yetkazadi?
Which is to be expected, but what was news to me
yangi bo'lgan narsa, qarang, what was new to me degani Sarah learned it again. Sarah o'rgangan. Nimani o'rgangan endi?
is that they also damage its reproductive system.
It's reproductive system. Reproductive degani, misol uchun ko'payish sistemasi deylik. Misol uchun tuxum qo'yish sistemasini yo'q qo'rar ekan deylik. Reproductive system.
I was well aware that toxins are also notoriously harmful to the immune system.
Immune systemga toxin bo'lishligini bilardim deyapti, lekin o'rganmagan. Yangi o'rgangan narsasi shu reproductive sistemasiga bo'lgan zararni o'rgangan.
Making it harder for many marine species to fight disease. Another problem with plastic is its durability. It doesn't go away like natural materials.
Natural materiallarga o'xshab, yo'q ketmas ekan. Plastik haqiqatan ko'mib qo'ysangiz o'tib turaveradi qancha bo'lsa ham.
But just goes from being, say, a floating bottle to tiny plastic particles.
Tiny particlelarga aylanar ekan.
Attractive to marine creatures.
Va bu attractive bo'lar ekan marine creaturelar uchun, misol uchun baklashgan otib yorsangiz, baklashga bo'lib turmas ekan. O'sha baklashgan mayda particlelarga aylanar ekan. Va o'sha particlelarimiz
This results from the action of sunlight.
Action of sunlight, effects of sunlight keldi. Bundan tashqari yana nima?
But wave action also plays a part in the
Okay, wave action degan to'g'ri. Xo'sh, wave degan narsamiz to'g'ri javob bo'lar ekan. Wave nima ekanligini bilasiz? To'lqin degani. To'lqinlar ham bunga sabab bo'lar ekan.
Fragmentation process. Unfortunately, ocean pollution is increasing, despite various international conventions set up to control it. Around 100 million tons of plastic are
around 100 millions of tons of mana shular
produced annually, of which are shocking 10 million tons end up in the sea. The
va o'shandan 10 ton narsani 10 qanchadir miqdori o'sha siga otib yuborilar ekan.
Majority of this gets there from land.
Majority of this o'shani ko'p qismi, majority degani most degani. Majority degani most of land sources. Yeah, there you go. John is land. Land sources. Yerdan chiqadigan musullardan ekan.
Although marine sources are actually responsible for dumping as much as 3.5 million tons of plastic each year. As well as removing debris and caring for marine animals, I'm also involved in raising public awareness of the problem.
Mana shunaqa problemalar tozalashdan tashqari men xalqqa mana shu problemani yetkazib berish uchun mas'ulman.
I help run educational projects teaching people how to make small changes in their daily lives.
O'zining hayotida qanaqadir mayda o'zgarishlarni keltirishga undaydigan odamman demoqchi.
Like avoiding chemical-based detergents which can get into waterways and eventually find their way into the sea. I encourage others to try simple ingredients such as lemon juice for various
they make for example of degan so'zimiz such as blank degan lemon juice. Hop, example of lemon. Okay, hop, demak bo'ldik. Lekin to'g'risi anchagina dabdabali sening ekan. Buni qilib motivatsiyani oldirish shart emas. Ba'zida testlarimiz oson, ba'zida qiyin. Multilevel o'zi asosiy imtihon bo'lgani bilan bizga yaxshi material ta'minlab berilmagan, internetda topilgan, ChatGPTda qilingan, ba'zilari boshqa testlardan o'g'irlab kimdirlar tuzilgan. Mana shular hisobiga ko'ra yaxshi material yo'q. Shuning uchun men bunaqa qiyin chiqib qoladigan bo'lsa, test praksislarda bo'ldi demak, imtihonda ham shu narsa degan motivatsiyani oldirib qo'yish shart emas. Okay? So, believe me, men o'sha multilevel 5 martadan ziyod topshirganman, lekin bunaqa qiyin bo'lmaydi. Multilevel to'g'ri, endi juda ham oson bo'lmaydi-yu, lekin mana bunaqa qiyin emas, chunki mana ular qarang. 26, 28, mana bu ikkovi juda ham aldab bergan va bundan tashqari mana bu aytganimdek 5% tushib qolishi mumkin, undan ziyod emas. 95% sizga map tushadigan bo'lsa, har bitta javobni o'sha bir boshdan kelib aytamiz. Misol uchun interested kelasiz, chapga burilasiz, o'ngga burilasiz dedi yoki yana o'sha interestga qaytadi, yana chapga yoki o'ngga deb tushuntirib ketish kerak. Mana bundachi, mana bunda ham birozgina chalkashlik bor. Buni ham juda yaxshi deb bo'lmaydi. Menimcha eng yaxshi part hozir film actor degan narsamiz yaxshi, imtihon qiyinligiga to'g'ri keladi va part 1imiz imtihon qiyinligiga to'g'ri kelishi mumkin. Yes, part 1 va part 2, part 3 to'g'ri kelmaydi deyarli. To'g'ri kelishi ham mumkin, 2 yillik bu narsamiz. Misol uchun to'g'ri keldi ham deylik. Lekin aniq part 4imiz to'g'ri kelmaydi imtihon formatiga. Bunimiz ham to'g'ri kelmaydi va mana bunimiz. So I think it's about a 50-50. 50% to'g'ri keladi, 50% to'g'ri kelmaydi bu. Okay, so shunaqa savollar bo'lsa bersangiz bo'ladi. Savollar yozing, bugun xudo xolasa oxirgi kunimiz. Bundan keyin endi imtihongacha o'zingizni birozgina yaxshi practice qilib, consistent bo'lib turadigan bo'lsangiz, imtihongacha yetib olasiz va topshirib olsangiz bo'lar ekan imtihoningizni. Okay, so if we have any question, you can leave the question right there. If not, we are